This is Igor in Russia, and I'm here with, straight from Moscow, Braden Consulting Law Firm, and you've probably heard of him before. And this is Michael, our friendly lawyer from that company. Hi, Michael.
Hello, Igor. Hi there. Thanks for having me.
So you are here now because we have a hot topic, and you, as a providing legal services on immigration, we hope to hear the recent news about this Putin's decree about people getting the VNG, the temporary residence permit. So first of all, what is this Putin's decree about in general? What is it about?
First of all, this is the decree about the citizens of so-called unfriendly countries who share basically the traditional and moral values. Okay, so this law, this decree says that if you share these values, you can contact Russian consulate service in your home country, and they would give you a private visa, as it states in this decree, uh, for 3 months. So that means that you can travel to Russia and apply for the RVP, not VNG, for RVP. This is the temporary residence permit issued for 3 years with this 3 months private visa. Um, this is this is all about this, new law. It's a huge thing actually, and there is a list also. They released the list of countries, citizens of which can apply through this new law on this legal ground. So they released this decree last Friday, and so there are 47 countries. So basically, if you're a citizen of this country or you have a permanent residence permit of this country, then you can apply. Yeah, you can contact Russian consulate service, so they would give you
Mhm.
a private visa, so you could come to Russia and apply for the temporary residence permit.
So that list, of course, is a long list, but in short, it consists of USA, Canada, I think Great Britain, a lot of European countries, and some other countries as well. But
Yes,
yeah.
yes, sure. Uh, Japan, Singapore, Australia, etc., etc. So
Mhm.
yes, this is the this
But if we're
this.
talking about the this move based on traditional values, basically denying the liberal, or how you want to call them, a liberal, thoughts, liberal
Mhm.
movements, that basically a lot of Western countries might use that as well. Well, European and North American, I think, but anybody can apply from those countries. So, all right, that was the update. The news was broken in August, followed last week's update, but still. So how you told a little bit about the process. You can go to a consulate. Does this visa gonna cost you anything? This private visa.
So this is so for today we have a little information regarding this new law. Actually, we thought that we would get any sort of clarifications from Minister of Internal Affairs or like migration authorities, right, regarding the procedure itself.
Mm-hmm.
Because right now we just have this new law which is in force, and since last Friday we've got this list of countries, right? That's it. There is no clarifications yet, unfortunately. But yeah, we thought that they would release something more, but no, only list of countries. I can tell you moreover that we've got some clients who are currently abroad, and as you may imagine, we have lots of requests from those who are abroad and who are already here in Russia with different types of visas, and they really want to apply. But first of all, we as a law firm, we don't want to test on our clients. So
Mm-hmm.
that's why first we have to, get a solid information of how to proceed, right? And so some of our clients, uh, they told me in private messages that they contacted Russian consulate service, also one guy from Finland. So he actually called them and asked for this private visa thing,
Mm.
this new law, and they just don't know. you know, they didn't tell him anything
Yeah.
about it. So I advise just to wait a little bit, because it's again it's a huge thing. Because as you may imagine, lots of foreign citizens from Western countries would like to move to Russia, right?
Hmm.
Using this legal ground because of these. It says. Let me just. I just want to read this title, right? The name,
Hmm.
because so for those who share traditional and moral values. So it says like so foreign states implementing policies that impose destructive neoliberal ideological attitudes that contradict traditional Russian
Hmm.
spiritual and moral values. Yeah, this is
Stuff
how
that's
it goes.
happening in the West, in West, some
Yeah,
of the
and
West countries more than some others.
that's right. So, and to be honest, right now we have more questions than answers.
Yeah.
And yeah, I just would like to repeat that we don't want to test on our clients, so that's why we're waiting for clarifications. Moreover, my colleague yesterday went to the a paid consultation at the migration authorities, and they didn't tell him anything about this law. So that's why, fingers crossed. We just need a little bit patience, and then we could move forward with this law, because the one of the important points is that when you'll be here, with, let's say, with this private visa, you
Hmm.
can apply for the temporary residence permit without any need of passing Russian language, history, and legislation exam. Of course, you can speak Russian, and I know it for sure.
Hmm.
It's not an issue for you, but
But it is
yeah,
issue for many others. Yeah.
that's right. That's right. Because Russian language is not that easy to learn, and it's not only language, right? It's also history and
Hmm.
legislation. And one of my clients just last week told me that actually it was easier for him to learn Chinese than Russian. So that's why it's kind of
Hmm.
a important aspect.
So
Uh,
this is definitely happening. It just needs in a basic Russian style. For some reason, everything is not ready. Well, stereotypically, might say we're talking about bureaucracy. Some things are not making any sense. Meaning, it's out there, the information is out there, but still, the procedure, the process is
yeah.
open. But it's definitely happening. Probably more than it's. They wouldn't pull the plug right now.
Yeah, the main question, I would say, the biggest question is right now is about those foreign citizens who are currently in Russia, let's say with a work visa or student visa, family visa. So what
Hmm.
about them?
Yeah.
If you're asking me, so from my personal point of view, of course they can apply using this new law, this legal ground.
Hmm.
But anyway, we just need to clarify this issue. Also, the main difference actually is this language thing, right? Because let's say if you would contact your consulate service and they would say yes, we can provide you with a 3 months private visa. That means that we as a law firm can start our like doing our job. So basically, you can just check our offer, commercial offer in our Telegram chat, because group, because we have a separate group. It's called
Hmm.
Braden Services. You can just check all of our services with cost and terms, and that would be, I would say the normal service of providing the temporary residence permit uh, procedure legal help, right? So the only difference would be, I mean, with these documents for the temporary residence permit, the only difference is that you don't have to provide this certificate of passing Russian language, history, and legislation exam.
Hmm.
But in order to to apply for the temporary residence permit, for example, you have to get the police clearance certificate issued by your home country with apostle, right? So I
Hmm.
mean that you have to do some actions while you're in your home country before you arrive in Russia with your private
Hmm.
visa, and that's why we always recommend to start, gathering, collection and preparation of documents under our supervision in terms of implementation of your case, because, well, you don't want to arrive in Russia
Yeah,
with only 3 months visa and then find out that,
yeah.
well,
To go back
it
and pick some.
yeah, I have to go back to get my police character, something like this. So
Mhm.
this is the idea. Yeah.
So when can we expect the hopefully the last phase and last information? It took like month to get this country list
List
ready.
of countries.
So is
Yeah.
it like a month or what's your prediction?
This is, yeah. If you're asking me, I
Yeah.
think that we would get this, clarifications as soon as possible, because, well, our government is interested to bring these people here who basically want to live here because of this, legal
Hmm.
ground, right? And yeah, why not? I don't think that it would take, a month or so. I do believe that we would get this, information updates sooner.
Hmm. So meanwhile, people should not necessarily ask too much about this
Yeah.
process yet. So wait for the update on my channel and Braden Consulting Telegram list. The link will be in the description. And if you have some general questions about immigration plans or
Yeah.
something else than directly about Putin's president's decree on this, you can use. We have a special form for free consultation and a discount if you need some like legal help. The link is in the description as well. And that form gives you a free consultation on matters concerning immigration, right? We have been
Yeah,
working
sure,
a long
sure.
time
Feel
together.
feel free to subscribe to Igor's YouTube channel and join our Telegram channel, because we post the recent news regarding, yeah, laws and actually about, life in Russia itself.
Hmm.
So we try to, to act as soon as possible to inform our clients, of course, also regarding this hot topic as well.
So the update is coming. We will make another video hopefully with you. And meanwhile, also there's a new video coming out this
Oh, yeah.
Friday where I visit your office and I talk to you personally, also not just the legal matters. You can guys gonna see actual Moscow Braden Consulting law firms at the office, meet the people inside. We talk to Michael, and we also talk to the other lawyer Piotr. And also, there's another video later on coming up. It's not yet scheduled, but I
Mhm.
actually get some real life consultation from you regarding me wanting to get a permanent what is it, Venture? Uh,
First temporary residence permit, then permanent residence permit.
yeah,
RVP, then VNG. Yeah, yeah.
yeah. I have like a person because I have a little bit different situation. So you guys gonna see it all. All right. Hey, Michael, is there anything else you want to mention about concerning this or you know immigration in general?
Yeah, just let's keep in touch, guys. And I just want to know that we've received so many, inquiries, requests regarding this particular new law. We would love to give you more information about it, but we don't want to just, to say, okay, guys, let's sign the contract, let's do let's do this first, and it's, I think that it's, yeah, it's wise to do here in Russia because of this bureaucracy
Hmm.
thing. Just wait a little bit, try to understand yeah, what are the nuances, right, with the new
Hmm.
law, and then only apply. So just to be sure that you would not waste your time, your money, your energy, etc., etc. Yeah, please subscribe to our channels, and we'll be happy to see you among our subscribers and yeah, followers.
And of course, if you have comments or some questions, post them in this video, and I'll be checking them out. And also, I think you will be as well answering as soon as you have the chance. And I know you have been answering people's questions on the earlier videos that we've made. All right, thank you, Michael, so much. We're gonna wait for the updates, and guys, see you in the next video. Thank you, Michael. Say hi to everybody, and
Thanks, Inger. Thanks for having me. See you next time.
for
Bye,
sure.
guys.
Thanks
Thanks
so
a
much.
lot.
Bye.
Bye.